Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my another video where I am going to show you some basic operations of Python where we can code in mobile phone using Google Colab. So first we will talk about arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are plus, minus, into, to the power, division. And here we will see 1 plus 1. Then we will run the code. We got 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then again we can see 2 into 2 and then run. We got 4. Now again 89 divided by 12. Run this. We got the value of the division which is in float. If I want to get the value in integer, then we have to use double slash. Let's see this. 89 divided by 12. We got the division in integer. If I want to see the modulo operator, then 89 mod 12, it will return the remainder, that is 5. 5 is the remainder and it is returned. If I talk about to the power, here we use double star to indicate to the power, that is 2 to the power, that is double star 3, we will get 8. And if I want to get the square root, then 100 to the power 0.5. Remember, this 0.5 is used for getting the square root. We will get 10. Now let's talk about commenting. Here we have single line comment as well as double line comment. Single line comment, we can use the single line comment by hashtag. That is hashtag single line comment, and let's run. We will see this is commented and this can't be coded, okay, because this is the commenting. And for multi-line comment we use 3 single quotes, then write something, write anything, then again comment it at the end. Let's run this. See, it is commented. Now we will talk about Boolean operations, that is or, and, not, equals to, not equals to. Suppose true or true, we will get true. And friends, we need to remember that in Python we use or, and, not, because it is very simple. The colloquial language which we are using in our daily basis, that only we use to write our syntax, that is or, and, not, is used as Boolean operators. Now true or false. We will get true because we know true or true is true, true or false is true, false or false is false, and false or true is true. If one single thing is true, then the or operator always returns true. Now let's check the and operator. True and true, it will also return true. Then true and false, we will get false. We know that true and true is true, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and false is false. If a single thing is false in AND operator, then we will get the result as false. Then we can use the NOT operator, that is not true, it will return false. not false will return true. Okay, now let a equals to 6. When we use single equals to, then it is an assignment operator, that is the value 6 is assigned to the variable a. Now what is a variable? Variable is a container for storing a value, for storing any value. It can store string, integer, float, any other kind of values. Now here we are storing integer. A equals to 6, b equals to 9. If I have to check the equality, then a equals to b, then let's see what happens. False, because a is not equals to b. Then again, if I have to check, if I change the value of b as 6 and then run it, we will get it true, because a, the value of a is equals to b, so it will return true. Thank you guys, today's session is still here. If you want to know how to use Google Colab in mobile phone, then please check out my earlier video. The link I'll give in the description box below. If you guys like the video, then please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on YouTube. And tutorial 2 will be coming very soon. Thank you guys.